words of the day. How long have you been studying Chinese? 你学汉语多长时间了？多长时间 means how long. 学 to study. 已经 already. 才 only. All in today's Chinese studio.
How long have you been studying Chinese? 你学汉语多长时间了？你 means you. 学 the second tone means to study, and 汉语 means Chinese language.
So, 学汉语 means to study Chinese.
Good. And 多长 means how long.
多长
Right. 多长 is a general term that can be applied to either length or duration. Here we can say 多长时间 literally means how long time. 时间 time.
多长时间 how long?
Right. Put all phrases together, it's 你学汉语多长时间了? How long have you been studying Chinese? Remember, the ending 了 is a particle word, meaning the completion of an action.
你学汉语多长时间了？
你学汉语多长时间了？
Actually, I've been studying Chinese now for a year, Yajim. Now, I know a year is 1年. Can I give my answer by replacing 多长时间 with 1年? This would be 我学汉语1年了.
Very good, Cam. But usually we'd like to put in some adverbs in front. For instance, 已经 means already. 已 the third tone, and 经 the first tone.
已经
So Cam, if you want to say, I've been studying Chinese already for a year, you may say it in this way. 我学汉语已经1年了。
我学汉语已经1年了。
你学汉语多长时间了？
我学汉语已经1年了。
And there is another adverb for you to choose from. It's 才. The second tone means only. So when you want to say, I've been studying Chinese only for a year, then you can say, 我学汉语才1年。
我学汉语才1年。But Yajia, where's the particle word 了?
Good question. Actually here, 了 can't be used together with 才, which means only. So it's 我学汉语才1年. I've been studying Chinese only for a year.
我学汉语才1年。
你学汉语多长时间了？
我学汉语已经1年了。
我学汉语才1年。
Yeah, Jip, there's another question I often hear. How long have you been in Beijing? So can I use the same sentence pattern we just learned?
Surely you can. You just need to replace 学汉语 with 来北京. 来北京 means to be in Beijing. So the question would be, 你来北京多长时间了? How long have you been in Beijing?
你来北京多长时间了？
Well, that's it for today.